guys, so this particular theme and variation video, this is going to go through Mozart's theme and variation on Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This is one of my favorite examples because it's a melody we all recognize, and he takes it in so many different directions. Now, it is a 13-minute song. We are not going to go through all of that, okay? Just through the first few. So theme and variation. So the beginning of the melody, the beginning of the piece starts with the basic melody. So here it comes. So I'm sure a lot of you recognize it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So that's the basic melody of the piece. It's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, right? It's one we all recognize from, being in elementary school, and maybe your parents sing it to you. Now, as it goes forward, it's going to go into these variations. So this is the first variation. Now, this video has a lot of extra musical explanation, and a lot of it you guys aren't going to know what they're talking about, like semiquavers. You guys don't know what that is, but I just want you to hear that variation. Now, as it goes forward, you might notice that the melody, it's there, but it's not there. But if you sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star along with it, you'll notice that no matter what the variation is doing, the melody is still there in a way. So some of it might actually just sound like an accompaniment piano track, like a partnering piano track to the melody. But if you listen carefully and if you sing along with it, you might notice that melody is still there, no matter what that variation might be doing. So let's go ahead and continue and keep listening. So it kind of goes away, but I'm going to sing with it this time, the basic melody, and you'll find that it actually does go with it. So even though it's totally different, the melody is still there. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle. Oh, it repeats. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So it's going to continue like that, and every variation is completely different from the other. But the one thing that they all have in common, just like that video we watched about what theme and variation is, remember he was talking about the pieces of bread, right? They're all bread, but they're different versions of that bread. So in this case, it's all Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but he takes it in so many different ways. So here's the next one. Twinkle, little star. This one you can hear a little better. What you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And here's the next one. Wow, that's different. that's where I'm going to stop it. But if you would like, I'm going to put the link to this video into the Google slide presentation. So if you want to keep listening to it and see if you can pick out that Twinkle Twinkle Little Star melody for each variation, see if you can. All right, so that was our theme and variation form using Mozart's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.